This is chemistry equilibrium example. In this example, we have three reactions. We have reaction 1 given by this. It's H2 plus I2 gives you 2HI. Reaction 2, which is here, which is given by this. And reaction 3 given here. Now, reaction 1 has a Kp. That's the equilibrium constant, as does reaction 2. What we're looking for is Kp for the third reaction. Notice that we can probably make reaction 3 from both reactions 1 and 2. So let's start. Reaction 1 has an I sub 2, as does reaction 3 here. And it's 3 times bigger. So let's go ahead and multiply 3 times reaction 1. So we're going to write it down here, times 3. Now if we do that, it's going to be 3 times H2 plus 3 times I2, and that gives you 3 times 2HI, which is the same as 6HI. Okay, now for for the second reaction, we have an NH2 NH3, but we also have a 2 NH3 in this reaction over here. So, but we have to flip it over, so we need to invert it. So once we do that, we're going to say we need to invert, so 1 over x there. So let's go ahead and invert it and rewrite it down here. So we'll start with 2 NH3. 2 NH3 gives you N2 plus 3H2 plus 3H2. Notice all we're doing is rewriting it, but from the back to the front. So we're just flipping it around. Now we're going to add up these guys and these guys. So basically what we're doing is we add up everything to give us one equation. Before we add them up, let's see if we can cancel anything out. There's 3 H2s here and there's 3 H2s there, so let's get rid of them. And that is it. So on the left we have 2 NH3 plus 3I2, and that's going to give us, remember it's this one we're using, we're not using this one, even though it's the exact same thing, but it's 6HI, so 6HI plus N2. Now let's compare 2NH3, 3I2 here, and 3I2 up there. We have 6HIs, 6HI, there's an N2 up here, and an N2 down there. So it's the exact same thing. So we have the right equation. All we have to do now is get the K's, the equilibrium constant. Now Kp for 3 is Kp of the first one to the third power cubed. You're going to multiply that by whatever change we made to the other one. So 1 over Kp2, because that's what this is. 1 over x, which that's what we do to the Kp. We inverted it, and once you multiply it out, you have Kp1 cubed over Kp2, and this is your answer. Now if you need it numerically, just plug it in.